What type of co-ownership is indicated when only two names appear on the deed, with no other explanation? Tenants in common. No special wording is required to indicate tenancy in common. Thus, allowing fractional interest, severalty ownership is by one person, and joint tenancy requires special wording because the survivor owner reaps the benefit. What type of ownership is impacted by Horizontal Property Act? Condominium. Under horizontal property laws, the owner of each unit holds a fee simple title to each unit. The individual unit's owners also own a special share of the undivided interest in the remainder of the building and land, known as the common element. Bleak House is owned by Fred, George, and Harry as tenants in common. If George dies without a will, to whom will this interest pass? The answer is George's heirs. When one co-owner dies, the tenant's undivided interests pass according to his or her will. Under the Georgia Condominium Act, which are required to be included in the condominium declaration? The answer is both name of the condominium and meets and bounds legal description. Under the Georgia Condominium Act, both the name of the condominium and the meets and bounds legal descriptions are required to be included in the condominium declaration. Anne owns a 20 townhouse in the Lexo Lakes development in fee simple, along with a 5% ownership share in the parking facility, a recreation center, and grounds. What kind of property does Anne own? The answer is condominium. Condominium laws, often called Horizontal Properties Act, have been enacted in every state. Under this law, the owner of each unit holds a fee simple title to the unit. The individual unit owner also owns a specific share of the undivided interest in the remainder of the building and land, known as the common element. What form of co-ownership is permitted in Georgia? The answer is joint tenancy. Georgia law does not recognize tenancy by the entirety or community property. It does recognize joint tenancy with the right of survivorship and severalty ownership, which, despite what it seems like, is ownership by only one person.